Well, welcome in the kitchen. I've got new toys. Y'all know I like to get toys. I've got a set of knives. This is Saga knives, okay? Let's see what all we got in this box. It says, you are important. Let's see what this says. User's manual. It just tells you not to put them in the dishwasher, to hand wash them, dry them, so on and so forth. Periodically apply mineral oil to the blades to prevent rust. Okay, these are high quality, high carbon stainless steel knives. All right, lifetime warranty. We believe each knife has a life of its own. We are a lifetime warranty on our products. Does that mean my life or their life? Because when they die, they're dead and their life's over. It's not real clear, is it? These are, it says they drew. This just tells you a little bit about the brand right here. I'm not going to read all that to you. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Some cardboard packing. I bet this is the knives. Here's another box. I bet this is the knife block. What do you want to bet? We'll see. Check this out first. Aha. A knife block is always nice. And to keep your knife, you go to your room. Look at that. There's a nice block. All right, go in there where it's cool. Okay, here's our knife block. It says Knife Saga. Place for everything. All right, now then, let's see what we got going on right here. This is our knives. All right, we've got a set of kitchen shears. But you know, in the kitchen, scissors are always a plus. And I bet they go right there. I'm trying to figure out where everything goes as I put it away, and then I'll wash them before we use them. Oh, they feel nice in your hand. Yes, very nice. Got the tip covered. This is a good feeling knife. It's a nice weight. It says designed in New York. Okay. Let's see if that goes right there. Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. This is another one. I bet these are the steak knives. Yes, I bet these are the steak knives that go down here at the bottom. Because there's two of those just alike. Alright. There are those. Steak knives. Bless you. This one still has a real good feel to it. A good weight. I can't stand a knife I can't feel in my hand. I like it to be good and heavy. Okay, here's our steel, our sharpening steel. It goes right there in that little circle, I bet. What do you think? I'm going to wash some of these off and we're going to use them here in a minute. Oh, here's the filleting knife. Oh, yes, I like that. I like the weight of that a lot. Very nice, very nice. Here's a little paring knife. This is the kind of knife my mom always used. She loved a little paring knife. Andy, shh. All right, here's just a big knife. These are the ones I like. I like the big knives. Mama liked the little ones. I like the big ones. Important notice, hand wash only, no dishwasher. Wipe dry after use to avoid rust. And you all know that you're not supposed to put any sharp knives in the dishwasher. You're just not. It dulls them. Oh, what a wonderful serrated knife. This one is very, very nice. It'd be really good for cutting bread. Oh, yes. And I love the weight of these. They're very, what I call weighty. And they're, good and heavy, which I really do like a lot. Here's another one that I like that size knife right there a lot, too. Alright, let me get this out of the way and I'll finish opening up these steak knives. We're going to have steak for supper. So we'll just use some of our new steak knives. Okay, put these down here. Then I'm going to wash them all, okay? I'm going to get them washed. I'm just going to hand wash them like they say to do because, you know, I never put my sharp knives in the dishwasher. One gets in there occasionally when somebody else is loading the dishwasher, but y'all, I believe these would last forever. Very nice. Okay. Very nice. All right, y'all. Here's what it looks like to set on your counter. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? And it's heavy. Nice, big, heavy block that's black. Go in anybody's kitchen. That color would. They may come in other colors. I don't know. But let me get these washed, and I'll be back, and we're going to cut some vegetables. Okay, y'all, let's get us some vegetables cut up here. Let's start with this one. Let's see how we like these knives. Coming out of the box, I like them. Oh, that is nice. Slices wonderfully. You also do need to remember that a brand new knife is going to be sharp, okay? Now, how well they hold their sharpness, I guess, will partly depend upon you when you care for them. As I said, you never want to put them in the dishwasher. Let me rinse this celery real quick here. But that chopped up really nicely. Just slices right through there. I love the weight of these. I really do. I'm going to put y'all a link below to these, and I think there's 20% off. If you go through that link, you can save 20% on these. So, you know, if you need a good set of kitchen knives, it would be a good time to get them because, like I said, you can save 20%. So here's our celery. Just chopping it really nicely. Every good cook needs a good set of knives. They really do. Like this made real quick work of that celery right there, didn't it? Sure did. All right, let me dry this one off, and we'll put it back, and we'll try another one. Kind of anxious to try more than one. All right, let's cut us up some mushrooms here. Let's use this one. Well, that's a fillet knife. I don't want to use that one. I'll use this one. This one right here. Very nice on these mushrooms. These mushrooms are a little dirty. Y'all know you do not wash your mushrooms. You just wipe them off. And see, there's usually, sometimes you can pull off that top layer if you want to. And it'll just peel right off. Sure will. I'm liking these. I don't know if the handles, if this is wood or plastic or all metal. sounds like it might be all metal. I'm not sure. But they're cutting nicely, very nicely. Also got a tomato right here. I'm just going to cut half of the bit. Look at that, just went right through there. Very nice. Just going to skin this tomato real nice too, just thin. I always like to peel my tomatoes. No, leave my purse up there. I'm not going anywhere. It's supper time. He's wanting me to go somewhere, y'all. No, leave it up there. All right. So our paring knife is really, I like the weight of that. I hadn't found a paring knife in a long time that I felt like I could use and hold. That wasn't, I just felt like I didn't have anything in my hand. Does that make sense? I'm going to cut up some peppers here. But I tend to use the larger knives more. All right, we'll cut us some meat here in just a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I set those things to the side. Now let's see how this big one here, see it's got these little, call them indentions or whatever. And that's if you're cutting things that tend to suction to a knife. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And that's to help prevent that. Okay, I've got other knives that have this on there as well. But let's see how it cuts up this steak right here. Because I'm going to cut this steak. It just goes through it just like if I had just butter. I'm going to cut this steak. I'm cutting the fat off of it, or most of it. Because I'm going to cut this for stir fry. Okay? I'll cut this up for stir fry. And you always want to cut it cross grain. I want y'all to see how thin I'm able to cut that meat. Look at that. It's just paper thin. And it's just slicing right through there. Y'all, I believe these are the best knives I've ever had. Look how thin that is. So, y'all, these would make a great gift. Y'all remember mom or dad, weddings. Oh my gosh, what any new bride wouldn't love to have these knives. Christmas, I know it's a little early for that. It is July, but some people shop early. They would love these. I'm telling you, if you've got anybody in your family that cooks, look at that. And I will give you all a link in the description box. And there's a I don't know if it's a coupon or if just the link is 20% off. I'll have to check and see. But anyway, I want to say thank you, Knife Saga, for sending me these knives. They will definitely be beautiful on my counter. And I will be using them for years to come, I'm sure. Like I said, most of the time you got to remember that when you get new knives, they are sharp. And so I'm interested to see how long they stay good and sharp. I'm telling y'all, that just make really quick work of that steak right there. Love it. I'll put that over there to wash. And I've got a peach. Let's see how we can peel a peach. Wash off my hands a little bit. All right, let's see about this peach here. Let's use this 7-inch knife here. I don't have a cutting board, another cutting board, so I'm just going to lay this on the counter. Just went right around there. Let's see how easily this peels. Here we go. Easy peasy, and look how thin that peeling is on that peach. That was super easy to do. So, I'm fully impressed with these knives. I love the way they feel in my hand. They're heavy. I can't stress that enough. That they feel like you've got something in your hand, okay? A lightweight knife, maybe that's what you prefer. I do not. I really like these. So, like I said, you all follow the link below to order you a set of these knives. Order them as a gift for a bride, for a dad, a mom, a young person going out on their own that likes to cook, or even if they don't, get them for them. Maybe they'll like to cook better. You know, maybe they'll learn to like to cook. So that'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.